Zinny is a water dog and she loves chasing birds. Go get them, Zinners! And other dogs. Zinny, the birds are over here. You're supposed to chase birds for the video. Hello, Zinner. Go get the birdies. Look, birds. They're over there. I know.
My shirt's all wet now.
What do you get for walking through the water? Silly Laura. Come on, Zinny. Go get the birds. The birds are over there. Zinny may like birds, but her eyesight is apparently not that good. Go get the birds, Zinny. Or go swimming and drink the salt water. One of the two. You silly dog. Really, I think Zinny is going to chase the birds here at some point. Or just go prancing off.
Zinny, go get the birds.
After the dog. Ah, come on, Zinny. Zinny is stalking the other dog. There she goes. Runny dog. Into the waves, out of the waves, into the waves, out of the waves. Zinny, there are birds over there. Do you see the birds? They're just right over there. Go get them, Zinny. Go get those birds. Go get the birds. That other dog is going to beat you to the birds. The other dog is going to beat you to getting the birds because you are slow in the head. That's right. I'm talking to you. I think that it's probably time to give up on videoing Zinny chasing the birds because she's just not in the mood this morning. Can you believe I'm filming with my iPhone above water? It's crazy!